Hi, this is Chaparras from Regina's Kitchen. Today, we will make our version of La Paz Batchoy. So, sit tight, keep watching, and let's start cooking! Okay, here we are. I have all the ingredients that we will share to you to cook La Paz Batchoy. That is a popular one in Iloilo, the malambing na probinsya. They are very calm people and very nice. So, okay, here are the ingredients of our La Paz Batchoy. We have our minced garlic, our chopped white onions, and of course, our seasoning that includes our salt, our shrimp paste, which is sauteed, and the chicken granules, and a little bit of sugar. Of all the toppings that we have pork, which is I did already prepare this last night. And we have the pork heart, which is already pre-boiled and chopped. We have the heart, pork liver that I also pre-boiled and slices. And for our noodles, we have the egg noodles. And this is also a pre-boiled noodles. And then we have also one of our topping. The finished one is the boiled egg. And the popular one for toppings, La Paz Batchoy, needs our chicharron, which is a very, very good one. Okay? And the last but not the least, it's this, our green onions, and also our garlic, which is already sauteed and browned in cooking oil. Okay? So these are the very simple that you can actually prepare this the night before or the day before. Okay? So this is what we have. So let's start our La Paz Batchoy for today. For our mantika, our cooking oil. It's a quarter of a cup that we can, and let it just keep on swirl to make it even on our pot. And then we will start our garlic. Our garlic is a very good one and good aroma when it is all brown. But don't burn it, okay? Just don't burn it, and we'll have slowly, so we're not burning it. Start a little boiling now. White onions is good for La Paz Batchoy. And just keep on stirring. And just make sure our onions is cooked. Okay? And our garlic is not burned. So just let it like that. Okay? Starting to smell our garlic. And by the way, I made a lot of garlic earlier, and that is our good toppings, and we will see that one on here. Okay, this is what we have, not burned, just good browning. And then here we can put a little of our green onions. Okay, then we have our broth. will put our broth. It smells so good. This is our broth. Here we have the soup broth that I cooked last night, and just leave it in the refrigerator and let it boil again to remove. Actually, we can remove the fat by putting it in the refrigerator, and you can easily get all the floating fat right there. So we'll see, and we will have it boil for a little while, and we can put our toppings. Some of them I can just put it right there later on when it's starting to boil. Okay, we'll put a taste on by putting our chicken granule. Some people has the broth cubes or beef cubes, but for me, I like the chicken granule. I put 2 tablespoons of chicken granule. Okay, and in La Paz Batchoy, they have sauteed shrimp paste, and this is very popular in Ilonggo for making their La Paz Batchoy. Okay, so this is already, sauteed, so the taste of what do you call that? The seafood taste is not gonna be very strong in our broth. Okay, so we'll just go and let it stir, and we will taste that again just to be sure our chicken granules already mixed in our broth. Okay, all the slices of the meat that we prepared, I always put some of it in the broth, okay, and some will be a topping when we put our noodles. And also the purpose of that is just to get all the taste of our broth, and will go in to our. And also here we have the pork, and I have the pork with that is already a little tender because all of them are pre-boiled. Our liver, we're gonna do that one last. We don't want the liver to be so hard and chew. We want it to be really good on our La Paz Batchoy. Okay, so let's just wait until it's cooked, and for the meantime we can heat up our noodles, because this is a pre-boil. We want to hit our noodles. Let me taste this one first. Okay, we'll just taste this and see how. Oh, very good, very good. We can add more of this if you want to. We got, have that one. Squeeze over here. Mash it. I have 1.5 tablespoons of that green paste. Okay, it's because this is a pre-boiled noodles. You just have to heat it up, put it in a, I just turned it off. We have the noodles in here, and we'll put it on a big bowl to put our ingredients and finish our La Paz Batchoy. Okay, so we have this one in here. You can see that it is already, you know, is our version of La Paz Batchoy. So it is so good, it smells good, and try it. And it's easy, very, uh, the prices of what you're gonna spend is not much, okay? So, but whatever meat you have, you can put it. La Paz Batchoy.